Hello, let's talk about how to kickstart your business books and get to a really great place with your business finances. So the first step is to take stock of where you are right now. So grab a pen, grab a piece of paper, and let's make some notes as to what your business systems look like right now. Firstly, think about how often do you keep track of what's coming into your business and what's going out of it. What have you earned and what have you spent? Then think about how often do you check what's actually in your bank account against what your books say is in your bank account. You'd be surprised how often these figures are two different things. Think as well about how you store your business records, how you store your information. Is it safe? Is it secure? For example, if you put all your paperwork into a file and you then put that file into the basement, what happens if the basement floods? Can you recreate the records? Do you have backup copies of the paper? Also, think about how easy is it for you to find information. If you needed to find a particular piece of paper, would it take you a few minutes or would it take you hours to actually lay hands on it? And finally, think about your invoicing and your expenses. So how often do you invoice your customers? How often do you track what you've spent out of your own pocket on business costs? Do you do it frequently, or do you leave it for months and then find that you've forgotten details about important things? So now that you've looked at your bookkeeping, let's have a look at what a great business bookkeeping method looks like. So the first thing about a great business bookkeeping method is you never have to enter the same piece of information twice. You put it in once and it gets used everywhere. Also, you know exactly where to look for everything because everything is in order, and it doesn't take long to find any piece of information you might need. There's no hunting for hours to lay hands on a particular document. Another feature of a great business bookkeeping system is that you just have to put your information in and you get useful numbers reported back to you regularly and automatically that help you make better decisions for your business. Also, your books run smoothly day to day. It's really easy and it feels straightforward to put a little bit of information in and get a little bit of information out on a day-to-day basis. When you have a really great business bookkeeping method in place, it'll vastly improve your relationship with your accountant. Instead of having to spend hours sorting out fiddly little problems, your accountant can give you proactive, helpful advice and become a really trusted advisor for you and your business. And finally, your information is secure. You haven't got to worry about losing information because you've got backups of everything. Okay, so now we've got two lists. We know what your business bookkeeping system looks like and we know what great looks like. So what are the differences between the two? What's good about your system? What's perhaps not so good? What are you not doing so well? How do you get to a great business bookkeeping system? Well, the answer is you need a habit. Watch our next video to find out more about how to put that in place.